This is the EMAX Ez Pilot Pro FPV racing drone. This FPV drone is completely for beginner and also who really want to get into this FPV hobby. Full disclaimer, this is not a paid review for EMAX. They did send me this product for free to review them to you. And at the end of this video, I will share my opinion about this product, whether it is viable or not for beginner. So watch this video till the end. My opinion is very straightforward for this product. If you are a beginner in FPV or you are planning to buy your first FPV drone, then you can definitely go for it. Because in this RTF kit, you will get all the necessary stuff to get into this FPV hobby. I tested this drone about 1 week. After that, I am sharing my opinion with you. The drone is really durable. I done lots of crashes while flying. Still there is nothing happened to drone. And don't compare with FPV drone like DJI. They are expensive drone and they are not designed for beginners. And this is a budget friendly FPV drone, EMAX specially designed for beginners. One thing that may be disappoint you, it's flight time. You will get around 3-minute flight time with single charge LiPo battery. Flight time depends on which mode you are flying and weather condition. You will get only one battery with this kit, so solution is buy more batteries with this kit. So you will get more flight time. You can learn more about this FPV drone. You can fly this drone indoor as well as outdoor just because of its size. Overall, it's a good drone for beginner, so definitely go for it. Well, that's my opinion about this drone. I will put a link in the description of this product. Check out that. That's all for today's video. See you again. Thanks for watching.